Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial of WordPress. Here we are going to learn how to hide WP admin because this is the main point that you attackers can guess your username, guess your password, and then they can consume your hosting resources and it will hack your website. So how we are going to avoid this kind of things? So we are going to change the WP admin URL so nobody can know about what's the exact URL of it. Okay, so let's have a look how we are going to achieve it. So currently it's showing some of the errors. Let's going to fix it. HTML, that is WordPress new. Where is WP admin? Where WP contents themes encoded I maybe functions.php. I think this is done. Let's see, is it working or not? Syntax error, expected end of the file function 1030. Okay, 1030. Okay, and maybe might be this is the reason. This is 1030. Full G 1030. Okay, this would be all the things that I need to add. Save this one, reload this. Okay, so first of all, we need to remove this WP login.php or WP admin. So we are going to hide this. How we are going to do it? So let's log in with this account. So we have logged in. So we have a plugin that will do that one. That is WPS hide. So we are going to install this plugin. Let's see. Okay, so let's go to the plugin section. Install plugins. Add new. Okay, search with this plugin WPS hide. Install this plugin. Activate it. Then go to the settings. You'll see we have a login URL this one and for the redirection URL this one. Okay, so let's change it to the admin uh, anything admin underscore. You can add 55 2020. We can add 2022, right? Save these changes. Okay, this is done. In the new private window we are going to change it localhost WordPress new WP admin. Says 404 not found. That means the URL is not accessible, right? It always redirect to this page. Whether you want WP login, you can also see that it shows you that oops, that cannot be found. So this is how you can protect your admin URL easily, so nobody can know the page of the username and the password of that one, right? So you can do this way, you can hide your login URL that way, right? So any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.